My name is Vijayarani Chandanala. I am here. I joined in the academy 2 months ago. Yes.
And how have you found this?
It's really pleasure to be here and learning so many things, gaining the knowledge and wisdom and how to build yourself with confidence and financially free. How you need to do, what you need to do, you're planning, you're assessing, you're implementing, evaluating, you're making everything and executing with perfection.
And was it what you thought it would be, or did it kind of exceeded your expectations, or?
Oh yes, yeah, of course. I wanted to be financially free. That is a main goal to be in this academy. And so many people actually they are achieving their goals, and we are listening to their stories. It is really amazing, and Samuel is open to teach everybody. He's sharing the knowledge and wisdom to the people. It's amazing.
And would you recommend something like this to someone?
Absolutely. Yeah, I brought 3 people so far in this. They are actually listening. They are planning to joining as well. They wanted to join in the coming days. Yeah.
That's everything.
Yes.
Thank you so
It's
much.
absolutely pleasure being here, and we are meeting so many people. We are culture changings and people knowledge changing here. So mingling with others, how to connect with each other and establish, expand yourself to be lovely. To be in this place, it's really honored and great
Thank you so
pleasure.
much.
God bless Samuel.